Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase as well as how to say more interesting and sometimes confusing names and words from Spanish, because yes, this is not from Italian. It is from Spanish and means whatever will be, will be. So how do you say it? Well, I mean, originally it was Italian, but the way this is spelled, and this is the name of a famous song, well, is Spanish, not Italian, and I'll tell you what Italian would sound like in a second. In Spanish, this is said as que sera, sera, que sera, sera. So in English, it is generally said as que sera, sera. Now in Italian, it would be said as que sarà, sarà. So a bit different, but that's originally where it came from, que sera, sera. And now you know it all, I think. Let me know in the comments more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Hasta luego. Adios.